So today I just want to talk to you about some stamps that Stampin' Up have now got in their inventory. Now, Stampin' Up used to offer stamps on wooden blocks. They used to offer what they called clear stamps and then photopolymer. Now the clear stamps weren't clear, they were red rubber, but they went on a clear block. And then the photopolymer were completely clear and they go on a clear block as well. So it was a little bit confusing for people. But also the clear stamps, as I say, that were red rubber, used to come like this, and they came with a sheet in the box, and you peeled the sheet off and you would stick that onto the back of the stamp. But once you put these stickers on, these stamps used to not stick that great to your clear blocks. And if you're new to stamping and you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the blocks, and you put your stamp on it and that then enables you to stamp. And this got rid of the having to have wooden stamps. So I think now Stampin' Up don't do wooden stamps at all anymore. They only offer the red rubber stamps, which are now known as cling stamps. And they offer photopolymer, which are this type, the clear type. Mine are stained because once you tend to use a dark colour on them, the photopolymer actually stains, although it doesn't affect the stamping at all. These are clear if I touch them. They're not dirty, it's just stained the top surface of the photopolymer. So the reason for today's video is to explain about the new cling stamps. So as I say, red rubber, exactly the same, look the same, you get the sheet in the packet the same, but these new cling stamps with these new stickers stick to your blocks and you won't have them coming off. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you use them. So in your packet you'll get one of these sheets. Now when you look at it, one side of it is more obvious that you can see the design through and one side isn't. And it's the side that you can't see the design through that you need to work with. And also if you look at this, each one of the designs, although it's faded, when you bend it, the paper splits in half. Whereas when you look at this and you can see all the designs and you bend it, there's nothing there. So basically what you do, I'll choose this circle design. So with the side up that's least obvious in pattern, let's say, I'm going to bend that in half and I'm going to peel away one half of this protective backing. Then I'm going to take the stamp itself out of this red rubber sheet. I'm going to peel away the protective backing off the stamp. And then I'm going to position this so that the stamp side is up, the red rubber is up, and that's going to go over here. Now I'm just going to bring it closer to me so that I don't get my head in the camera. But basically I'm going to line up the top here with the top of this. I've still got one half protected. So I'm just going to position the whole outer edge and the top of the actual rubber stamp with this sticky bit here, which is very sticky. And I'm not pressing hard, I'm just placing it in position. Now I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to lift the whole thing off the sheet now. So if you look at it now, I've got the top half where I removed the protective sheet and the other half is still, it looks white because the paper's still on it. So I'm going to fold it back and I'm going to remove the other half of the paper, and then I'm going to bring this over, and obviously when you lift that up you want to be careful you don't stick that half to that half, and then I'm just going to position it back down on there and it's stuck. Now this will stick to your block and will not come off at all, and you can see where you're stamping, and that's it. Now from watching other Stampin' Up demonstrators, these are very sticky now with this new cling system. So when you're removing them from your blocks, you just have to be mindful and be extra careful. And the best way I've seen to do it is to just try and get your nail under a corner and then peel it away. And then this can go in there so you know where it is. And that's your first one done. I'll do the words. It's a million little things. So again, I'm going to peel half away. I'm going to get the corresponding stamp, peel the backing off the stamp, and then I'm going to bring it towards me so I can see hopefully and get this lined up. I'm going to press it down, release the whole thing from the sheet, and then I'm going to just put my thumb here on the sticky part, lift this bit up so it doesn't stick to the sticky, remove that protective backing sheet and press that down, and then again I can put it on my block and there it is, and it's not going anywhere. So then again, to remove it, just get under a corner, lift the whole thing up. That's your stamp with your words on. So now when we're using these red rubber stamps, we can see where we're stamping, because with the old ones, where the stickers, once you put the stickers on, you couldn't stick the stamp to the block very well, they'd fall off. So a lot of people, including me, didn't put the stickers on. As you'll see, that's a full sheet of stickers never used. I would have just put this on my block, and yes, it would stay on, but I couldn't see which way up the words were. So now we've got the best of both worlds. They're very sticky, they'll stay on the blocks with the words on, and we can see where we're stamping. So I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget, at the moment, Celebration is on, and for every £45 you spend in my online shop, you get to choose a free item from this catalogue. And it's increments of 45. So if you spend 90, you can choose 2 of the items that are at 45, or in the back there are 2 items that you have to spend 90 to get. So the die cut, framelets and this stamp set. Everything else in this catalogue is free with a £45 spend. You can't buy the items in this catalogue, you have to earn them free with a £45 spend. And that's across the whole Stampin' Up inventory. So that's anything from the new Spring Summer catalogue, anything from the annual catalogue, which is still valid up to the end of June 2019, and anything that's in the clearance rack on my online shop. Also, there's a fantastic joining offer, whether you want to be a demonstrator making YouTube videos, blogging or classes or not, just for the discount. There's a fantastic joining offer. If you're in the UK, it's £99 and you get to choose £170 worth of product from the across the board inventory. If you're in Europe, It's €129 and you get to choose €230 worth of product. So go and have a look at my website, applelover53.co.uk. Click on the Stampin' Up tab. All the information's there. There's a link directly to my shop. There's a link if you want to join and be part of my team, be that just as a hobby demonstrator for discounts or as a business demo. There's also the January 2019 card class is on there, depending on what time you're watching this video. There's request catalogues on there. You can view and download the PDF catalogues. All the information's on there. So I hope you like that. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you've got the bell notification icon switched on, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.